Do you need a push?
No, I don't need you. I need to do.
Steer, don't forget.
This is a bummer. This is a bummer. This is a bummer.
Stand right there, Nick. It's wet over here. Albert, look at Albert driving his bike, Nick. Come on, it's wet over there, honey. Oh, all right, back through the mud. Look at Albert go. Go, Albert. Are you pedaling your bike?
I stopped.
You did stop. Why did you stop?
Because you're calling away.
There's a car. There's no car in the way.
No, you're way there. Mama, you have all.
Yes, I do. Oh, thank you. Wait a second. Okay. Thank you.
We're gonna go back out. I guess that's out. Mom, you know where I